Introduction. If you have valuable knowledge in a niche that is in demand, you can make a significant income as an online coach. A lot of people try to do this, but they do not earn the income that they are looking for because they do not approach things in the right way. In this training, we will show you how to start a profitable online coaching business. Because it is easy to start online coaching, a lot of people dive right in and do not get the results that they were expecting. You have to have the right mindset to be a successful online coach. Without this, you are doomed to failure. We will show you in this training the mindset that you need and how you can develop it. Having a plan for your online coaching business is very important. Without a plan, you will never know if you are truly successful or not. We will show you exactly what you need to include in your plan so that you have the best chance of success. You need to make the right impression as an online coach, and this starts with your website. There's no need to spend a lot of money on a fancy website. It just needs to be professional, and we will explain what you need. To make a healthy profit, you need to attract the right clients. We have proven methods in this training that will help you to find those clients. You will see that you have a number of options here. Some will require a small investment, while others are free and will require effort on your part. There are a number of ways that you can grow your online coaching business, and we have some good ideas for you in this training. We also provide you with details of some useful tools that will help you to manage your online coaching business effectively. Best platforms and tools to use for online coaching. There are a number of useful platforms and tools that you can use in your online coaching business that will help you to stay on track and be the best you can be. These are particularly useful if you want to provide live coaching sessions. You do not need these to start with. It is possible to provide a great one-to-one coaching service using Skype and the free recorder tool that converts your conversations into MP3 files. You can also use the free Google Calendar to keep track of your sessions. We recommend that you use these tools once you have a few clients. Satori. This is essentially an all-in-one coach client management system. With Satori, you get a business intelligence tool and a customer relationship management CRM tool rolled into one. The interface is clean and intuitive. With Satori, you can market your coaching programs and even build them, use it for the distribution of proposals and agreements, generate leads, collect payments, and make online bookings and send out questionnaires prior to coaching sessions. Satori starts at $39 a month. Coach Accountable. You get a lot of administrative tools to run your online coaching business with Coach Accountable. This includes the scheduling of coaching sessions, payment collection, sharing documents, and the creation of individual coaching plans. You can get started with Coach Accountable from around $20 a month. Nudge Coach. Nudge Coach is an online coaching platform that you can fully customize. It will help you get clients and keep them and contains daily trackers that you can personalize for individual client requirements. You can also organize group coaching sessions with Nudge Coach and more. Prices start from around $25 a month. Calendly. As the name suggests, this is a calendar application that will integrate with your existing calendar, Outlook, Google, etc., allowing you to book sessions seamlessly. You can then send out booking links to your clients at dates and times you are available. This app makes you a lot more efficient with your session bookings. If you only run one calendar, it's free. Zoom. Zoom is a conferencing app used by a lot of online coaches. Your clients do not need to have a Zoom account to use the platform. All you need to do is set up a session and then send the join link to them via email. You can record your sessions with Zoom and easily share recordings. There is also a webinar feature, which works really well. Zoom integrates with most calendar apps and task management tools such as Slack. It's really good for coaching small groups. The business plan is really good at around $20 a month. In the final video, we will look at the best practices for being a successful online coach. Getting clients for your online coaching business. You have identified your target market and now have your website set up and ready to go. It is time to get some clients for your online coaching business. We're going to show you ways to do this online. It is all about getting your message in front of the right people. There are many tactics that you can use to get prospective clients to visit your website, which will then convert them into clients. These include writing articles and guest posts, sending cold emails, running ads, creating videos, using social media, and webinars. Social media groups. If you are targeting business customers, then the best social platform to find them on will be LinkedIn. Some people have had good results using Facebook as well, so don't dismiss this altogether. If your target market is individuals, in other words, you are coaching people to make money online, then Facebook is the best social platform. The reason that LinkedIn and Facebook are so good is that they have groups of people that are interested in different niches. A search on either platform will reveal the groups that are available for a niche. So, one of the first things that you can do is join these groups and start posting some valuable content. People often ask questions in these groups or ask the group for help with a specific problem that they are having. You can add useful posts to the groups as well. What you want to do is establish yourself as an expert in your niche as quickly as you can. People in the groups will definitely start to notice you when you are active and providing answers to questions and useful posts. A lot of coaches find clients using this method. Pay-per-click PPC ads. You can use Google or Bing to place pay-per-click PPC ads which are triggered by specific keywords. This can be a very effective way of driving targeted traffic to your website, but you need to be careful with this as the costs can soon mount up. If you like the idea of this method, then the first thing that you need to do is conduct some keyword research. A keyword is the term that a user enters into a search engine when they are looking for something. So, for example, they may enter the keyword digital marketing coach or internet marketing coach. Use the free Google Keyword Planner to find the most appropriate keywords. There are tutorials for this on YouTube. Create a keyword list, then set up a campaign with Google AdWords or Bing ads. You will only pay when a visitor clicks on the ad and visits your website. Once they are on your website, it needs to convert the visitor into a lead by them contacting you or subscribing to your email list. Social media ads. Most social platforms now offer the ability to run ads to drive traffic to your website. Facebook and Instagram are really good at this, and LinkedIn are getting better. These social media ads tend to be cheaper than Google AdWords PPC ads, and you can specifically target people which you cannot do with PPC. There are all kinds of analytics available for social media ads that will tell you how well your ad is doing. You can choose who to target and in which locations. Targeting members of niche-related groups is a good place to start. Write a book. One way to really establish yourself as an expert in your field is to write a book. This will require time and effort on your part, but it will be worth it when you have completed the book. You can get a professional cover made for your book and distribute it on Amazon Kindle and other platforms. Some coaches create a hard copy of their book and give these out at networking events, etc. A digital version is a good place to start. You can promote the book on your website as well, and even give some free copies away to get you started. Guest posting. The idea here is that you write a high-quality article about your niche and then find blogs that are in the same niche and ask the owners if they will publish your post. Most blog owners are always on the lookout for high-quality content to add to their blog. Some will even specifically offer guest posting. You should be able to find related blogs that will accept your post. Some may charge you for the privilege, but if they get a lot of visitors, then this can be a good deal for you. You need to add a link back to your website in the post that you publish so that the readers can find out more about you and what you offer. Email marketing. We talked about this in the last video. You will need to provide an attractive incentive for people to want to provide their email address to you and become a subscriber to your email list. Once they are on your list, you can send them a series of emails a few days apart, which provide value to them. Email marketing is a very effective way to get coaching clients, but you must provide value in your emails. Of course, you can tell them about your coaching services in the emails, but do not use a hard sell approach, otherwise people will unsubscribe from your list. Creating videos. A lot of people do not like the idea of creating videos, but they are a great way to drive targeted visitors to your website. YouTube is the second biggest search engine in the world, and it gets a ton of visitors each day looking for all kinds of content. You could create a series of videos showing how to achieve something that is relevant to your niche. These kinds of how-to videos are always popular. Don't give too much away in the videos, but make it very clear that you know what you are talking about. Be sure to mention your coaching services in each video. You can set up your own channel on YouTube. Each video that you upload needs to be properly optimized with the right title, description, and tags, all based on keywords, so that YouTube users can find your video when they search. Add a link to your website on the first line of the video description. YouTube is not the only game in town. Dailymotion and Vimeo are popular video sites as well. They do not get anywhere near the traffic that YouTube does, but they still get a lot of visitors. Make good videos and spread the word. Webinars. A webinar is an online presentation where hundreds, if not thousands of people can all watch at the same time. You can find someone in your niche that has a large email list and do a deal with them. They will send out an email telling their subscribers about your webinar, and you will provide the list owner with a commission on all sales that you make. You will need to plan your webinar so that it is the best that you can make it. Your presentation should solve a problem that people have in the niche and provide value. You will give away some of your secrets, and then if they want more, They will need to become a coaching client at a special discounted rate. In the next video, we will discuss the different types of online coaching services that you can provide to scale your business. Conclusion. We have worked hard to bring you this training on creating a profitable online coaching business. The methods revealed in this training are proven and will work for you if you apply them. Please do not just go through this training and do nothing. You're only going to create a profitable online coaching business if you take action. In this training, you have everything that you need to launch and maintain a successful online coaching business. We have provided you with ideas on how you can grow your business as well and create passive income from it. Now, it's over to you. We wish you every success with your online coaching business.